A6 Audi in for the mid-range woofer's distorting, so we think that the speaker's blown. So we're just taking off the door card and we're going to replace it with an E10 mid-range. There's a lot of hidden screws on this beautiful A6 Audi 2007 model. Let's see what occurs. Big floating screen, Android, Apple CarPlay, full integration with reverse camera. Here we go. Now Michael's getting this hidden screw. Fun one. I heard the click. Once we get this screw here on the door, the rest is just clips. There's also a hidden one right here behind the tweeter. There we go, one for the benders. Let's go. So that's, I would say, impeccable design from Audi. Very hard to unpenetrate that screw. So this woofer is blown. Yeah, pass it over. Alright, now let's see what we got. Yep. Alright.
Under the bench.
Woofer's out. We'll grab our lovely clips. So as you can see now here behind the door card, guys, obviously you can see we've got a woofer mid-range, and then there's a tweeter that goes right here. And then you will see now we're going to replace this to an E10 mid-range. There's a factory amplifier in the boot. Once we connect it, we've got to just fabricate a little bit of a bracket for it to mount onto the factory speaker's mount. And you will see the process as you can see here. That's the tweeter, the mid-range that we're replacing. We did the replacement. So as you can see, woofer, there's our new mid-range, straight into factory, and then obviously as you can see the tweeter factory door card. Now Michael's going to put the door card back on. Module, tweeter, and then a door latch, which is a little hook, and it just gets on. There we go. We're on a winner. So there's a special one. Best to do it with a screwdriver than do it with a drill. You'll miss the thread when you put it on the drill. And then the rest can be drilled in. Here we go, guys. Moment of truth. Final piece, the silver trim. Cover all the hidden bolts and screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 screws holding the door card. Turn on, make it move. Alright guys, for copyright, I can't actually let the audio play, so we'll have to cut the video short. Thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe.